Hey Allison, Mike here, Langley Chrysler. Just wanted to send a quick video, introduce myself, and show you this lovely Challenger we've been chatting about. So here we are, 2023 GT Plus. Good looking rig. Nice hood there. The nice lower fascia there. Sunroof, a nice spoiler. There we go. So it's got the nice leather suede interior, automatic of course. Got the 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I think like yours, it's got the track pack, sport mode, all that good stuff. What a beauty. I hope you like it. Give me a shout. Let me know what your thoughts are.